Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I bet that your house has some form of Ziploc bag in it right now. So I want to show you this package of Ziploc bags because these are really great. There's 280 of these sandwich size bags, and I love these bags because they work really well. The zipper on these seals awesome, and it's easy to pull apart because it has a little pull tab. So it's super simple to use, and you can fill these bags with so many things. So they are sandwich size, but you don't have to put sandwiches in these. You can fill them with snacks or leftovers or other things that you need to take with you on the go. We use these a lot, even in the garage or for house projects, to store little parts, or if you take something apart and you need a place to put the screws and bolts. So these are just super handy and very good quality. So I would definitely recommend these to anybody needing some little zip top bags, and that's my point of view.